How does your body react when you forget to breathe? The answer reveals an astonishing survival system working non-stop to keep you alive, even when you don't think about it. Your body has a built-in autopilot for breathing, located in the brainstem, called the respiratory center. This area constantly monitors carbon dioxide and oxygen levels in your blood. Even if you forget to breathe consciously, this center kicks in to make sure your lungs keep working. It's why you rarely have to remind yourself to breathe unless something unusual happens. When you hold your breath, carbon dioxide builds up in your blood. This rising CO2 level signals your brain to force you to take a breath. It feels like an urgent need to breathe, sometimes overwhelming because your body is desperate to rid itself of excess carbon dioxide and bring in fresh oxygen. This natural reflex is powerful and almost impossible to override. If you lose consciousness, your voluntary control over breathing stops, but the brainstem respiratory center continues working automatically. This means your body keeps taking breaths without you thinking about it. This survival mechanism is why people can often recover from fainting or sleep without harm. It's your body's way of making sure oxygen keeps flowing even if you're not aware. Your body's response to forgetting to breathe is a testament to an incredible survival system working quietly 24/7. Automatic breathing, powerful reflexes, and unconscious control all team up to keep you alive without effort. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and keep discovering how amazing your body really is.